How are you? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today, we read our chapter. Chapter name is Phonic Sound of O. O for Orange. Let us come and start our chapter. It's chapter number 7, Phonic Sound of O. There is a picture given of a dog. Then, how can we pronounce it? D-O, dog. G, dog. Word is D-O-G, dog. Second is D-O, dog, double L, doll. Phonic sound is O. T-O, T-O-P, T-O-P, top. Here is some other examples are given like J-O-G, jog, H-O-G, hog, F-O-G, fog, G-O-D, good, P-O-D, pod, and H-O-T, hot. These all are example of phonic sound of O. Next, here is a picture given of a fox. Then, how can we pronounce it? F-O, for, F-O-X, fox. H-O, hot, H-O-T, hot. L-O-G, log. Now, come to some practice of phonic sound of O. Now, O-T sound. P-O-T, pot. N-O-T, not. C-O-T, caught. L-O-T, lot. G-O-T, got. Next is O-G sound. L-O-G, log. H-O-G, hog. C-O-G, caught. F-O-G, fog, and D-O-G, dog. Next one is O-P sounds. O-P sounds. P-O-P, pop. C-O-P, cop. T-O-P, top. M-O-P, mop, and H-O-P, hop. Is O-D sound. G-O-D, goat. N-O-D, node. R-O-D, road. C-O-D, code, and P-O-D, pod. Next one is O-E sound. T-O-E, toy. Foy, roll, hoy, and wood. From this, our chapter of phonic sound of O has been completed. I hope you all are understood and enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.